Hey, I'm here today to talk to you about products for your massage business or wellness center. So, I have been an owner of a wellness center, my husband and I, for 8 years. And during those 8 years, we sold a lot of product. And a lot of the times, our product actually sold itself. We didn't have to be pushy with it, which is exactly what I'm here to talk to you about. I have 4 different products by 2 different companies today that I want to share with you. And the reason I want to share this with you is because I truly feel that if you love the product and you're passionate about the product will sell itself. And all the products that I'm going to show you today are products that we had used in our wellness center. And we didn't just use them in the center, but we also sold them. And that can definitely help with your retail sales. But not only that, that gives your clients something to take home with them. It gives them something to use during that interim where they're not getting a massage. But you have to educate them on how to use it. So I have 2 different companies I want to talk about. The first company I had used for about 5 years, and I still use them personally because I absolutely love it. They are a great company to work with. If you get in touch with them, they don't have a huge minimum that you have to purchase to become a wholesaler, which is great. And that company is Rinse. Rinse is a really nice company to work with, but not just the company itself, the product. And I'm going to share these things with you because I don't just use the product in my spa or had used it in my spa. I always personally used it. If we had anything in our retail area, it had to be used by us. We had to absolutely love it. Myself and my family used it before I would put it in there. So let's get started with the first product I absolutely love with them. And this is going to be their light exfoliation scrub. And they have several different scents in their scrubs. But they also have different types of scrubs. This is a sugar scrub. They also have a salt scrub, which is a little bit more on your skin to exfoliate if you need it for certain areas. So this one we have in Cabernet, and we also have it in pomegranate, and they smell wonderful. I still use these to on a regular basis to exfoliate my legs and my arms and my hands. We keep it in our powder room. My children love it. They love the smell. And it is a very whipped type of scrub. And I used to use these all the time in my treatments for massage. And how I did that was because it is a sugar scrub, and it says a body buff sugar scrub right on it. Because it is a sugar scrub, sugar will dissolve with water or with a lotion that contains water. So what we would do is use these in the treatment rooms for a hand scrub, foot scrub, back scrub. Our full body wraps would be done with the sugar scrub as well. And then we would use steam towels to wipe it off. And whatever wasn't used, whatever was left and wasn't wiped off with the towels, we would use their body spread moisturizer. And because one of the first ingredients on here, or the first ingredient on here, is water, it will dissolve the rest of that sugar scrub. Now, you don't want an excess amount on the foot still. You do want to have little to nothing on there, but this body moisturizer, the body spread, will absorb the rest of the sugar that's on there if you missed it a little bit. And not only that, it will moisturize their skin beyond belief. They will leave and their feet will be extremely soft. Their hands will be extremely soft. Their back will feel great from having that all exfoliated off, the dead skin, places that it's harder to reach for yourself. So this is a great product to use in your treatment room, but also to sell in retail. And then you compare them. These 2 pair together. Not all of the scents come in the sugar scrub and the moisturizer, but that's okay. We've learned to pair different ones together. They have a very nice tea tree mint body moisturizer as well. This one has the olive and avocado olive and apricot, and it is very moisturizing. So these products, so we have the sugar scrub, which is great for exfoliating, and it is a lighter exfoliation, but it's great to be using in the room. And then you have the moisturizer to pair with it, and it helps take the rest of that sugar scrub off and moisturize the client's hand, foot, or back, whatever type of service you're doing for that. What I like about this company is they try to have most of their products to be all natural. They carry a line of different products. So even if you're not using them all in your treatment room, for instance, their Bara soap. This is one of their seasonal soaps, the spiced cranberry. I don't use this per se in the treatment room because it is a bar soap and we don't want to cross-contaminate having the clients touch anything or me touch anything. However, this is great for your retail section, so you can have it right next to the moisturizer, right next to the scrubs on your retail area. And it pairs well if they have the spiced cranberry scrub or a cranberry scrub to go with it. But a lot of their products are about 98% natural, or they try to get it close to that. So I'm using a product that I not only love the smell, the texture, the feel of it, but also I know it's good for my skin, it's good for my family's skin, and that's extremely important. Our skin is very porous and we absorb everything that we put on it. So we want to make sure that we're putting good things on our skin. Another product that I use during, I wouldn't say during a massage treatment, but as a treatment or is a take-home retail product for clients are their eucalyptus shower bombs or their sweet vanilla bath bombs. And people might wonder how I use these as a treatment. Well, these are good just for a foot bath. So if you have something at your spa, wellness center, or massage business that you have a foot bath there, you can always add this as an add-on service to a treatment that they have. They come in early, they stay later, and they can get a foot soak. And these shower bombs or the bath bombs are great. This one is a eucalyptus one, smells wonderful. This one is a sweet vanilla, but they have all different scents. I know for a fact they do have pomegranate in the bath one, and it smells wonderful. The shower ones, they also have one that is peppermint to help open you up as well, for headaches as well. So these are great. And what I did was I put them in a container. Everyone had its own separate container in the retail area, and as soon as you open that container, you could just smell that fragrance from whatever one it is. I do not recommend that you mix them because you'll get different smells, but great company, wonderful products to use. So I do highly recommend those. Like I said, the scrubs are great for the treatment rooms, and the moisturizers are great for the treatment rooms as well. And then that can be used to have your clients buy that to take home and use during the interim of getting a massage or a treatment at your spa. The next product I'm going to show you is a different company, but it is a diffuser. And I have enjoyed a lot of several diffusers over the years, but I do like this company. It's Green Air. This is a ceramic diffuser. It does change to different colors with the light on it. It is a smaller diffuser. So this diffuser is really nice, and I'll open it up and show you. This diffuser is nice for if you have an office and you can have a diffuser right on your desk. It's a great diffuser for that because it is smaller and it won't be, I wouldn't say it won't be as potent because it does still get a great fragrance. However, you know, it contains it more in your space. So this is what the inside, a small little, and it does have inside here where to put the water and a water line. So you just fill this to the water line, put this on top of it after you've added your aromatherapy, a few drops in there. The reservoir isn't as big as some. However, a lot of people don't always have their diffusers running 24/7. So that's why I said this is good for an office as well, because then it can be filled, you know, in the morning when you come in. Each morning you can put a new scent in it if you prefer. Then this ceramic top just goes right on top. And then the buttons to use are down here. They have the 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, and the alternating turning on and turning off. So you can have it go as long as you want. This one, the plug for this is a USB plug. So you can put it right next to your computer, or if you have some kind of block to put on it, then you can plug it in. It just gets plugged into the back here, and then plugged in and then turned on. And like I said, this one is nice because it does have a color change on it. It is smaller, so it can sit right on your desk, right near your workspace. To clean it, it's very simple, just by taking that off, taking this off as well and unplugging it. You never want to submerge one of these in water because that will ruin the motor on the bottom. However, you just can wipe it out very nicely. Maybe use a little bit of a vinegar solution, maybe a little water and vinegar on a rag, and just wipe it out nicely, and then make sure it's rinsed out well with another rag, just wiping it out. Fill it with some water and then add your next essential oil to it. But I do enjoy this company as well, just because I know that their products are good. I have used them for several years. They stand behind their products. So I do enjoy that one as well. So here are several different products for you. We gave you the sugar scrub and the moisturizer from Rinse, and some other products that they offer, the soaps, bath bombs, and shower bombs. And they have a whole line of product. Get on their website and look at them. They have natural bug spray, they have natural deodorant, plus much more. And then the other company I was talking about today, and that's Green Air with their diffusers. And they have a number of different ones, but I do, like I said, I do like this one as an office one. So if you're diffusing aromatherapy in a small massage room, this is great to have. Where your office at your massage business, this is great to have, but it's also great if you have a small retail area to diffuse it, to show off the different scents that you offer, the different oils and the different diffusers possibly. And it's great to show your clients this is something that they can take home and use, and explain to them how to use aromatherapy in the correct way with the diffuser. Next time I'm going to be talking about two other companies, but I'll be talking about CBD oils. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up below. Leave your comments. I'll be happy to answer them. I'm also going to put the two companies I talked about today in the comment section, so you can go to them and find some product that you'll like. And don't forget to subscribe. You'll stay tuned with us with subscribing and learn more about different products to offer in your wellness center and massage business.